What's up, guys? So today I'm bringing a different type of video. So I've been trying to flip some things to actually make some extra money, and I've always been able to repair phones and like iPhones mostly. I've done some Android, like Samsung phones, but I really like working on the iPhones. It's a lot easier. I haven't really worked on the newer ones. So what I did was I went on eBay and I looked for lots. Now, if you don't know what lots are, it's pretty much where you get more than one device or really anything. PlayStations, Xbox, stuff that needs to be repaired that they're throwing all together. So I found um, 8 iPhone 6s's, I believe, and I'm pretty sure 4 of them work. I just have to make sure that they're fully working for one, they're not iCloud locked, and that they're clean ESN, meaning ESN is the number that's on the phone, so you can actually use it with your carrier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up on camera. As you can see, it's already open. And I'm going to go through each phone and make sure it works. I'm going to show you guys. Then what I'm going to do is list the phones for sale and show you guys if I made a profit or not. And that will be part 2 of this video. So let's get into this. Okay, so here we go. These are them. Let me get this out the way. Yeah, so it's 8 of them. There's 2 in each one. So let's just slide these out. Alright, so right off the bat, the camera on this one's cracked. Let's see and the screen's cracked too. But this one's powering on. Let's see this one. It's a little banged up, not too bad. Let's see if this one has any juice. Screen's all scratched up. Again, these are used. Alright, so it doesn't look like this one has iCloud lock. That one died, but it does not have iCloud lock. This one does not have iCloud lock. This one's probably gonna die too. Okay, so the glass on this one's cracked. The back's dirty. It looks like the screen on this one was replaced, maybe. Because I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's all like bubbly at the bottom right here. So it looks like someone went ahead and tried to replace this. Yeah, so I was right. Someone tried to go ahead and replace the screen on this, and they did. It's missing a screw. Not a big deal. Camera's cracked on this one. Screen's cracked, so that has to get replaced. The screen's not cracked on this one. Some tape on the back, and it just needs to get cleaned. Looks like none of these are iCloud lock. I just gotta make sure that they're clean ESN. This one's not powering on. Might just need to be charged. This one looks to be good as far as screen wise. And the back is just dirty. Those two don't turn on. I gotta plug them in and see why. Screen's cracked on this one. Not powering on. And then another one that's cracked. Not a big deal. It can get replaced. Okay, so we know 4 out of the 8 work. They power on. They just need to get repaired, which is not a big deal. I have the screens for them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in these other 4, see if they power on. And if I can get them to power on, I'll come back to this video.